Welcome back. Let's talk about inserting headers and footers. I'm going to scroll to the top of my page here. There's a few ways that we can insert a header and a footer. Believe it or not, there's a reserved space right here at the top of our document, really at the top of each page. That's kind of reserved. Notice that we cannot kind of add any text there. That's reserved for our header. And similarly, on the bottom of our page, we have a section that's reserved for our footer as well. So we can go ahead and insert a header or a footer. Headers are useful when you want to kind of apply the same type of information at the top of each page, maybe the title of your document, or maybe the page number. And a footer is good, usually has the date, name of the author, and the page number as well. So if I go up to my insert tab here, there's a lot of things that we can insert. We have a lot of command groups here. But over to the header and footer, we can go ahead and we can drop in a header, and we can go ahead and drop in a footer. Also, if I were to double click in this space here at the top, notice how it opens up my header and footer contextual menu just by double clicking. So now I can go ahead and I can drop in a header or a footer. To keep things simple, I'll go ahead and add a header. We have some built-in headers here that we can use. This is a blank header. This header has 3 columns that we can add information in. We have this Austin header here, has a simple page border. So we have different types here. We just kind of scroll down. So really, you just need to think about what type of header do you want to have in your document. I want something pretty simple here. Maybe I'll choose this View Master. And right here, it has my document title. Go ahead and close my header and footer. I do need to go ahead and write in that title. Maybe I'll just put Word 2021. Close this. So now when I scroll down, it appears in all of my headers here as well. So if I want to go ahead and insert a footer, I can go ahead and do the same thing. I can double click to insert a footer, or I can go back to my insert tab here and I can insert a footer. I do have several ones here as well. Blank, 3-column, Austin. I have this banded option here. Now just be mindful, if you already have a border, you might want to kind of avoid some of these that have some borders here as well. So I'll try to find, let's see, grab one, a simple one here. So this one, banded, has the page number on the bottom. So I'll go ahead and close that out. Just do a quick check. Go to page 2. Okay, so it has my page numbers. So pretty simple, but again, it just takes some planning. Depends on what you want to appear in your header or your footer. I'd recommend just take advantage of one of the actual built-in headers here. If you want more information, such as this 3-column, you can go ahead and take advantage of that as well. So go ahead, pause this video, insert your header, insert your footer, move things around, and come right back.